Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Portsmouth Primary from St. Catherine up against New Life Preparatory from St. Andrew. I'm your host, TK Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Earlier, we had the toss. Portsmouth Primary won and decided to send in New Life Prep first. So we begin with New Life Prep. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds in which to answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have that time on the clock. And we begin with you, New Life Prep, in Bible knowledge. Which book in the Bible comes immediately after Nehemiah?
Do you guys know this? Chris Andrew? Oh, Hannah.
Question passes. Portsmouth, would you like to try?
No, miss.
It's Esther. Portsmouth Bible knowledge. Which book in the Bible comes immediately after Hosea?
Black it. Oh, no, black it. Genesis, Hosea.
That's incorrect. It's Joel. New Life Science. In which organ of the human body is the ciliary muscle?
Justin?
Question passes. Portsmouth, would you like to try?
Yes, miss. The eye.
That is correct. Portsmouth Science. In which organ of the human body is the cerebellum?
The brain.
That's right. New Life, Jamaican Affairs. Hella top, hella bottom, and hallelujah in the middle is used to describe which Jamaican baked product?
Oh, yes. Me? Potato
pudding.
Judges? Or sweet potato pudding, that is correct. Portsmouth Primary, Jamaican Affairs. What's another name for the Jamaican food? Blue draws.
Yeah, I can't selfish. I can't selfish. I can't selfish.
That's incorrect. It's dukono or Thai leaf. New Life English language. Spell pandemic.
Pandemic. Guys, is pandemic P-A-N-D-E-M-I-C?
Question passes. Portsmouth, want to try?
Yes, miss. P-A-N-D-E-M-I-C.
That is correct. Portsmouth English language. Spell secretive.
S-E-R-E-T-I-V-E.
That's incorrect. It's secretive. S-E-C-R-E-T-I-V-E. New Life Television. CNN is a global TV media company. What does CNN stand for?
Caribbean News Network.
That's incorrect. It's Cable News Network. Portsmouth Television. BBC is a global TV media company. What does BBC stand
DeAndre,
for?
it's just something random.
No,
DeAndre, it's just something. Just a barbecue fried chicken. No. It's something random, DeAndre.
Question passes. New Life, want to try?
British Broadcasting Commission.
That is correct. New Life, general knowledge. Complete the analogy. Nigeria is to Africa as Poland is to? Question passes. Portsmouth, want to try?
Yes, miss. Europe.
That is correct. Portsmouth, general knowledge. Complete the analogy. Malaysia is to Asia as Morocco is to?
Africa.
That's right. New Life Social Studies. In which Jamaican parish is the Carpenters Mountain Range?
Portland.
Question is for New Life.
Portland.
That's incorrect. It's Manchester. Portsmouth Social Studies. In which Jamaican parish is the Port Royal Mountain Range?
Just Kingston. St. Thomas.
That is correct. New Life Prep. Music. To which group of instruments does the kettle drum belong? Question passes. Portsmouth, want to try?
No, miss.
It's percussions. Portsmouth music, to which group of instruments does the violin belong? That's correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Portsmouth Primary on 7 and New Life Prep on 2. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.